Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to check for updates but let you choose to install them Firefox browser. So how to check for updates but let you choose to install them Firefox browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the general menu. Now here you are in the general menu. Scroll down to find the automatically install updates menu. Now next. Tap check for updates but let you choose to install them. This feature allows Firefox to check for automatic updates, but users still have control to choose when to install them. So that's it, tutorial how to check for updates but let you choose to install them Firefox browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.